What's up guys, JDM Supreme here, and I'm on a quick vacation out in Puerto Rico. I happened to be watching something online, and ironically enough, I stumbled across a dollar bill I'm looking for the other half of. You could also go through the same process because there are in circulation roughly 500,000 to 1 million of these $1 bills, and if you're able to find the part B to the part A, essentially the same exact serial number that's listed on the bottom, you could essentially buy an R34 or any GTR for that matter. It's just $2. Let me show you. So I have the dollar bill with me right now, and as you'll see, and I'll also put in the context of this video, it'll show you that it needs to have a B as a requirement. The serial date has to have a 2013. The B stands for New York, and 2013 is obviously the date in which the bill was built. Over towards the end of this bill, there's a serial number. Now the serial numbers can start at 000001 all the way up until I think it breaks at like 249,000. And then it continues back again at 320,000 and all the way up until just about B999999. On the back side, essentially the same regular ass dollar bill. You won't know the difference unless you actually take a look at the serial number, see it to be in 2013. So essentially you could own or buy an R34, any GTR for that matter, if you find the serial number bill within those digit notations and then you find its counterpart. There are listings online of the other dollar bill. I have yet to check this one out. It could be worth 150,000. They are saying that if you find that 00001, right off the rip, you're $1 million richer than you were 10 minutes ago. I just picked this up at a local bodega as a receipt of funds for a bill that was cashed in and broke. So I'm psyched. If I can find the other half, so be it. If there's someone else online that's like, hey, listen, I gotta have that bill, I mean, let's do the deal. But this is how you can essentially buy a GTR or the car of your dreams for $2. I'm halfway there. So for those of you that might be interested in locating the other bill, it could possibly be something as simple as just going on eBay and looking up other B series 2013 notes. There are listings upon listings of the possible duplicate dollar bills online. Most of these, the owners have probably decided to just sell them because it's not worth the wait, or they've just given up on the search for the other, say, counterpart dollar bill. A lot of these guys are asking $800. There's another one for $200. There's another one for $45. Essentially, if you have one, the possibility of locating the others could be somewhat easy, to say the least. And again, this is just eBay. Here's another website on coinworld.com. It shows that the whereabouts of the other dollar bills and the national search and how some dollar bill pairs have already been located. So is it worth it? Ultimately, very possible. If you locate the other dollar, it costs you as much as $800, maybe $15,000 plus richer, depending on the actual serial number of the currency. I'm not saying right off the rip that this $1 will buy me an R34 or any other JDM legend for that matter. But I'll tell you what, if I source the other, which I'm going to try to do right now, it's very possible. Let's see. This video goes for many of us who have just gotten into the car scene of things or just simply couldn't afford the vehicle of their dreams that early on. If you just got an 8 to 5, dice your check up into a whole bunch of $1 bills, source the ones that say 2013 with a B note on the side, have at it. It costs you absolutely nothing to try, and you've got absolutely everything to gain. So that's your tip, trick of the day, trick of the lifetime. If you end up pulling it off, let me know. Drop a comment below if you like what you see. Give me a follow. JDM Supreme on Instagram and all the other social media they're in. Peace.